This is the camera that changes photography. And this is the phone that changes mobile. Introducing Galaxy S20 Ultra. Our camera brings 8K video resolution to photos, and we built a game-changing 5G phone around it. At the heart sits our AI pro-grade camera system with 9 times more pixels than most cameras. That means you can forget about 12 megapixels, because with epic 108 megapixel photos, you can now pinch in and in. Then you can take another photo from that and it will still be pin sharp. And when it comes to zoom, Space Zoom will take you places no mobile has been before. You can now zoom 10 times, or an unbelievable 100 times. Yeah, for real. For low light, we've nearly tripled the sensor size to pull in way more light. So you can now shoot even more of the night. And when it comes to action, S20 Ultra brings true action cam to mobile.
Hi, Bixby. Shoot super steady.
Super sophisticated AI balances camera movement to make every frame of video just as smooth as a feature film. So you don't miss a moment, Single Take's ridiculously clever AI captures multiple formats at once. Our 8K expertise now comes to mobile. 8K Video Snap will forever change photography. You can grab a 33 megapixel photo from 8K video, and that shot will still be clearer than other cameras. With a 5G phone built around the camera, you can now share all your 8K videos on YouTube. Actually, more like seconds ago. And hyperfast 5G means your favorite movies and shows will download in a flash.
Don't die on me! Don't die, brother! Don't you die on me!
No chance. S20 Ultra's intelligent battery management gives you the power to go on and on and on. Thanks to storage going up to 1.5 terabytes, there's room to store all 750,000 of your favorite photos.
Hi, Bixby. Find my Los Angeles photos.
And while these photos are protected with Knox, we've added a secure processor that's dedicated to protecting your PIN and password too. Today, our AI pro-grade camera system changes how you capture photos and videos. And we've built 3 game-changing 5G phones around it that change mobile. Introducing Galaxy S20 Ultra.
Huawei P40 series. A new vision for what a smartphone can be. This is not just a step forward in smartphone photography, it's a whole new dimension. See more than ever before with the world's first ultra-vision Leica pentacamera. The Huawei quad-curve overflow display is elegantly rounded from edge to edge. With a custom-developed nanotech ceramic body, it's incredibly strong, but feels delicately smooth. The Huawei Ultra Vision sensor gives you 24-hour super definition photography. Intricate details turn every crop into a story. At any time, day or night. The most advanced dual optical super zoom array technology will take you even closer to the moment. Shoot in 3 times, 10 times, even 100 times. The 40 megapixel Cine camera delivers pro-level ultra slow motion, so you can dramatically slow down time. Immerse yourself in the moment with audio zoom. The closer you zoom, the clearer the sound. We know every photo you take has the potential to become your masterpiece. The P40 series AI neural processing edits out unexpected guests, Take your time and focus on what matters to you. Because the AI recommendation assistant will bring you the best possible photo. It adapts to all paces of life. Download everything you need before you take off. With just a touch, your phone and laptop become one. The new front camera system has a 32 megapixel selfie camera. It also has depth sensing, which powers the AI gesture control. All of this power comes from the Kirin 990 5G SoC. Power up hassle-free. Experience visionary photography.
Don't be afraid, ain't nobody in the way. Just shout out to live in the moment you see sun for the night.